So finally friends, it's time to check whether the POCO F7 will be supporting with the 120 FPS or not after the recent update. The Battlegrounds mobile game has been received the 4.4 update at this moment, and just now updated I'm going to check whether the phone will be able to support like 120 FPS graphic settings or not. So this has got the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, which is definitely a powerful processor, but still the phone was unable to play at 120 FPS, and there is no update given as well since the phone has been released last year. So till now the phone did not even get 120 FPS update. But the other phones like POCO X7 Pro and the POCO X8 Pro, they do have the 120 FPS support in their devices. So but the phone which is having pretty much capable to play 120 FPS didn't have any kind of support. So right now I'm going to download, and once after the download I'm going to show you the default graphic settings, what's going on in the POCO F7. Again, I'll be back after some time. So finally the game has been updated, and let's try to check whether this time we can actually play with a 120 FPS or not in the POCO X1 Pro device. We'll try to see. So now let me go to the settings and show you exactly the settings in this POCO F7 device after the recent update of the 4.4 update. So right now, as you can see friends, I have selected the super smooth and extreme plus settings, but there is no 120 FPS present in this device right now, as you can see. So but in the POCO X8 Pro, so this is a POCO X8 Pro, there you can see the 120 FPS settings which is present. Ultra smooth, as you can see, super smooth and ultra smooth is present in the POCO X8 Pro. But in the POCO F7 device, the settings did not upgrade. It's only normal, super smooth and the extreme plus, and you are getting with the 90 FPS option at this moment, and there is no 120 FPS enabled at this point. That's something you should know guys regarding the FPS settings in this POCO F7 device. So this is a quick information which I love sharing with you all regarding the overall FPS test. So even after the recent update also, the POCO F7 device still did not get any kind of 120 FPS update. That's kind of a sad thing to see, because this phone is having pretty much capable performance of Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, and this should be able to play without any kind of issues like with the 120 FPS. But still the 120 FPS is not provided with the POCO F7. I don't think it will come again in the future, because we have been waiting for a pretty long time for so many updates. We have been waiting from the last year as well till now, but still there is no improvement in terms of the overall FPS update. And right now temperatures, as you can see, 37.6 degrees Celsius, 38 degrees Celsius. So far this is a quick testing guys. So 90 FPS only you will be able to play this game. POCO F7 device, so there is no 120 FPS. So previously I was playing the POCO F3 GT. So this is a POCO F3 GT. I was playing the game, so I got used to this kind of gaming triggers button on this device. So that is the reason when I'm trying to play the game, I was looking upside, like trying to go there. So this is a quick information guys. With the 90 FPS only you'll be able to play most of the games right now in the POCO F7 device, like in the Battlegrounds mobile game in the POCO F7 device, unfortunately. You can see the real-time FPS, it's maintaining 90 FPS. Pretty good, 90 and 80, 87 it's maintaining right now. But the temperature will definitely increase while doing this kind of testing. It will go up to like 40 degrees, 39.6 right now. I'll try to do the separate in-depth gaming like FPS drop test video as well. Full in detail video I'll try to do very soon. So stay tuned for that. But this is a quick review just to show you that the POCO F7 still the 120 FPS is not updated at this moment. That is the main purpose of me making this video. So this is a quick review, guys, and the temperature after playing for close to 5 minutes of time, 40 degrees Celsius did increase right now. With the 90 FPS only, the gameplay which I'm trying to do. So meanwhile, signing off. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more updates, and I'll definitely do another complete gameplay and FPS drop test and the battery draining test as well on the POCO F7 device in the next upcoming days. So stay tuned for that videos. So definitely it's going to be really very interesting to see how the phone going to perform in terms of the battery and everything. Stay tuned for those videos as well. But right now, this is a quick video on the POCO F7 device. So this is a quick FPS test, and next time I'll try to do the complete drop test and the battery test as well. Stay tuned for those videos, friends. So until then, signing off. Thank you for watching, and bye.